In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're building a blog, a portfolio, or a business website, Squarespace provides a user-friendly platform that makes web design feel like a breeze. But starting off can be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the platform, so let's dive right in and simplify the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the Squarespace homepage. For the purposes of this guide, we're going to use Heck Media as our example. Since we're starting fresh, this means we'll be creating a new page from scratch. Upon reaching the homepage, your next step is to find the option to create or add a new page. This can be a bit tricky if you've never done it before, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple. Look for the Pages menu. This is typically found in the sidebar of your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your site's current pages and the option to add more. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see various page types you can add. For our purpose, we're looking to add a blank page. This option gives us a clean slate to work on, which is perfect for demonstrating how to build a page from the ground up. Click on Blank Page to proceed. With your new blank page created, it's time to give it a name. This might seem like a small detail, but remember, the name of your page plays a significant role in navigation and SEO. For this example, let's type in a name that stands out and is relevant to the content you plan on adding. The name field should be pretty straightforward. It's usually right there as soon as you create your new page. After naming your page, the final step is to integrate it seamlessly into your site. This means positioning your page correctly within your site's hierarchy or navigation. Ensure you've saved all your changes, then head back to the Home menu of the Squarespace dashboard. This is where you'll see your site's overall layout and can make adjustments as needed. And there you go. In just a few easy steps, you've added a new page to your Squarespace site. Remember, the real magic happens when you start adding content to your pages. Squarespace offers a range of tools and features designed to enhance the look and feel of your site, so don't be afraid to experiment. Creating a new page on Squarespace is just the beginning. The platform offers plenty of creative freedom, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. From adding images and text to embedding social media links and videos, the possibilities are virtually endless. So go ahead, play around with the features and see what you can create. With a bit of practice, you'll be designing like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to create a page on Squarespace. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy designing!